Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. India, New Zealand signed 5 agreements in defense, education, sports, horticulture, and forestry. James P.K. Sangma lays the foundation stone for construction of an RCC bridge over River Ringi in Dadangre. Ribhoi Poultry Farmers Association meets Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister to express their concerns regarding drop in poultry prices. And Hinyotrap Achik National Movement meets Health Minister Dr. Amparin Lingdo seeking medical specialists in West Khasi Hills. The news in detail. India and New Zealand have signed 5 agreements in the fields of defense, education, sports, horticulture and forestry. Both sides also exchanged the Authorized Economic Operator Mutual Recognition Agreement. 2 countries announced the launch of negotiations on a free trade agreement and negotiations on an arrangement facilitating the mobility of professionals and skilled workers. New Zealand has joined the Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative and has become a member of the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today asserted Mahakumbh in Prayagraj has reflected the spirit of rising India and the entire world witnessed the power of the country. He added that unity in diversity is a speciality of India which was experienced during the recently concluded Mahakumbh. Making a statement in the Lok Sabha on Mahakumbh, Modi said, when the entire world is going through challenging times, the grand show of this unity is the country's biggest strength. He also highlighted the importance of water conservation and said that India has many rivers, some of which are endangered.
जब एक समाज की भावनाओं में अपनी विरासत पर गर्व का भाव बढ़ता है, तो हम ऐसी ही भव्य प्रेरक तस्वीरें देखते हैं जो हमने महाकुंभ के दौरान देखी। इससे आपसी भाईचारा बढ़ता है और ये आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है कि एक देश के रूप में हम बड़े लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
James P.K. Sangma, Chairman of the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, MIDC, laid the foundation stone for the construction of an RCC bridge over the River Ringi in Dadangre. The bridge, with a length of 50 meters, is expected to greatly benefit the local villagers. The ceremony held at Little Flower Secondary School in Dadangre, which was attended by several dignitaries, including Graham Bell A. Sangma, Executive Member of Taxation and Waterworks, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. James Sangma expressed his gratitude to the officials involved in making the project a reality, highlighting the bridge's importance for the local community.
Bangin development ni kamrang sukpaha rama jalangrang ni bidungo jekayan chingni rongram tu pulbari rama aro tentang PMGSY ni aro state ni sorokrang bangin at chingna sukpajok di ba tentang mancha da alo ya dolong na.
The Ribhoi Poultry Farmers Association met with the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister, A.L. Heck, yesterday to express their concerns regarding the drastic drop in poultry prices, which has severely impacted poultry farmers in Ribhoi district. Speaking to the media after the meeting, RBPFA President E. Lapang and Vice President A. Dingdo, along with other members, stated that their discussion with the minister aimed to highlight the challenges poultry farmers face regarding market prices.
Abaitu bagi siap di bawah benabar nilai keren ya iba elhek bat nilai keren bagi jumlah di siap nabar kaum sawanra ya ke flu dari nakalian juga government gilang ba padon bejingkang terdat di siap di bawah di benabar di nakalian juni ila akular ba insakhat meeting ini banyak keren but hang tu asli percaya jingga baru but ini ideas we done.
The Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Abhilash Baranwal, has issued a prohibitory order under Section 163 of the BNSS, banning the burning of forests during the ongoing dry season. This directive comes in response to the heightened risk of wildfires, which pose a serious threat to lives, property and the environment. The Deputy Commissioner emphasized that adherence to the order is crucial to preventing disasters that could impact not only the ecosystem, but also homes and livelihoods in the district. Any individual found violating the prohibitory order will be dealt with as per the law. The order has also called upon community leaders and local bodies to spread awareness and ensure compliance with the directive.
The deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district. As a result of which, the district administration has issued an order under Section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Ribhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place.
Hinyotrap Aceh National Movement today met the Health Minister Amparin Lingdo seeking medical specialists in West Khasi Hills. The group petitioned the Health Minister seeking medical specialists such as orthopedic surgeons, gynecologists, oncologists and radiologists. The group said the move of appointing specialists in West Khasi Hills would be of great help for people, as till now many patients are forced to visit Shillong and Guwahati for treatment, inducing time and cost.
Aduk mentah ngidon arngut kini ki gynecologist bat ki pediatrician hangte apo West Khasi Hill non stray. Te nakadaw ka jing bombyang jong kini ki specialist mo babon na ki baduk hangte apo ga district ke jongi bapli ki lahaban one bay si Shillong ki haban bay sa Guwahati mo bat kene kalawan ra ya ke jing ko ha khamtam ha kaliang jok baduk nang ta kadon ruka traffic jam.
The United Forum of Bank Unions, or the UFBU, Meghalaya State Unit is set to participate in a 48-hour nationwide strike from midnight March 23rd to March 25th. The strike is being held to push for several demands, including better recruitment in all bank cadres, regularization of temporary employees, and a 5-day work week. These demands are part of a broader effort to address issues affecting bank employees.
We have talked about the most important demand already, which is the adequate recruitment of staff and officers, that is recruitment in all cadres. And I have just explained as to how it is going to affect the services which we give to the people, and also it is how it is going to affect our personal lives. The other demand which is of crucial importance is this 5-day banking, 5-day week. As you all know, after long negotiation, public sector banks have already been given 2 Saturdays off. The second and the fourth Saturday are already off. We are enjoying this, I think, for the last 5-6 years, perhaps, or even more than that.
Meghalaya is sending a strong contingent of 82 youths to the Northeast Youth Festival 2025, scheduled to take place in Gangtok, Sikkim, from March 17th to 20th. These talented individuals will showcase their skills in various cultural events, including traditional singing and dancing, quiz competitions, rock band performances, one-act plays, and guitar competitions. The festival promises to be an exciting celebration of Northeastern talent, with the Meghalaya team comprising 57 youth from the Khasi Jaintia Hills and 25 from the Garo Hills. The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People, or the FKJGP, Bhoirambong Circle, officially launched the open-to-all knockout football tournament today at the Nongtarian Football Ground. The opening match saw NCB FC take on Saukidong FC. In a closely contested match, both teams displayed strong performances throughout the first and second halves. However, it was Saukidong FC that emerged victorious, securing a 1-0 win over NCB FC with a solitary goal. The tournament was inaugurated by Ricky Majau, General Secretary of FKJGP North Khasi Hills District, who served as the chief guest for the event. And now for the weather report. First, let us take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 19 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 32 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 91%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 15.6 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 25.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 67%. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 15 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 75%. And the forecast in Tura and Jowai indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places, whereas in Shillong, light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And now, before we end the news, a quick look at the headlines once again. India, New Zealand signed 5 agreements in defence, education, sports, horticulture and forestry. James P.K. Sangma lays the foundation stone for construction of an RCC bridge over River Ringi in Dadengre. Rebhoy Poultry Farmers Association meets Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister to express their concerns regarding drop in poultry prices. And Hinyautrap Achik National Movement meets Health Minister Dr. Amparin Lingdo seeking medical specialists in West Khasi Hills. With that, we have come to the end of the news. Thank you for watching and good night.